Welcome to the Week 46 Immigration News section, where we share all the latest immigration developments. Did you know that a group of lawmakers is seeking to create a new exclusive court for unaccompanied migrant children? And attention, USCIS will offer a new service for immigration relief in unforeseen situations. These and more will be discussed in the section.
Welcome to the Quiroga Law Office Weekly News section. This is a space where we share all the latest immigration updates. This is the most important immigration news of the week. We invite you to stay tuned.
The controversial SB 4 immigration law in Texas approved criminalizing illegal entry into the state and allows for local arrest and judicial expulsions, with sentences ranging from 2 to 20 years in prison. The American Civil Liberties Union characterizes this measure as the most radical and contrary to Texan values. This has generated tensions over immigration policy, posing legal conflicts and challenging federal authority. Additionally, it could trigger confrontations over border security and the relationship between states and the central government. A bipartisan project aims to establish exclusive courts for unaccompanied migrant children in the U.S. More than 62,000 cases in immigration courts involve these children, facing processes designed for adults. The lack of legal representation is concerning. Almost half of them do not have lawyers, including those who are too young to speak. The Efficient Immigration and Juvenile Courts Act of 2023 seeks to train judges, ensure proper treatment, and streamline processes, reducing case backlogs. The project has bipartisan support, generating optimism for its approval. USCIS will offer a service for immigration relief in unforeseen situations for visa applicants affected by circumstances beyond their control, aimed at supporting those who, despite having proper documentation, face obstacles in the immigration process due to events such as natural disasters, emergencies, including the pandemic. Few waivers, document replacement, and special assistance for students will be offered. To be eligible, evidence supporting the unforeseen situation is required. Its goal is to facilitate immigration and support those facing external difficulties. Democratic lawmakers introduced the Stop Shackling and Detaining Pregnant Women Act to protect pregnant women in immigration centers. The project seeks to release them, except in exceptional circumstances, and prohibit the use of shackles, considered inhuman and unnecessary. Senator Patty Murray highlights the risk to women and potential physical and mental traumas. Additionally, presumption of release is established for pregnant, lacting, and postpartum women, except in the exceptional circumstances of imminent threat, applying less restrictive restraints if necessary. Its goal is to avoid unnecessary risks and protect vulnerable women. Newly arrived immigrants in U.S. cities face obstacles in accessing healthcare due to the lack of a comprehensive national system. Most do not receive complete medical assessments at the border, leading to the emergencies. Cities like New York and Chicago offer public health services, but others, like Denver, lack resources. Challenges with food and housing worsen chronic medical conditions. The Migrant Clinicians Network works to connect immigrants with healthcare providers, emphasizing the need for a more coordinated and comprehensive approach to ensure adequate care in their new life in the U.S. Attention, we want to invite you this Wednesday, November 22nd, to join our Spouse Request Live. Participate in the roulette game and you could win incredible prizes. See you at 3:30 Pacific Time.